Imagine turning your phone into business that works for you, even while you're busy with your day. That's exactly what Wi-Fi Cash Bot is designed to do. It's an AI-powered platform that makes affiliate marketing as easy as tapping your screen. Normally, building an affiliate business means writing endless content, setting up websites, and buying traffic. But Wi-Fi Cashbot takes away all those hurdles. You get ready-to-use campaigns, high-converting offers, and even automated traffic built right in. Because it's cloud-based and mobile-friendly, you can check your business anywhere, on the bus, during a coffee break, or while traveling. The whole idea is to give you a plug-and-play income stream without wasting months learning complicated skills. So if you've ever wanted to run an online business but felt it was too much work, this could be your shortcut. Click the link in my description to sign up for Wi-Fi Cashbot and start running your affiliate business straight from your phone.